Welcome back to the channel, the Engineer Hall. On my way back to Yankee Dabber once again to pick up an item or two. Look around and also pick up some pre-order items that I had got. So one thing is very important about the Motorola industry, like you sure if you guys already know, if you don't know, now you know, is pre-order. You gotta pre-order your stuff. You don't pre-order, you know, nobody's gonna make it. Back at the shop here at Yankee Dabber. One thing is very important that you understand, that you gotta pre-order. And I got my man Jerry here at Yankee Dabber. And why is it important to pre-order?
If you don't pre-order, you will never get it.
And why is that?
Because once they gone, they gone.
And why is that?
Because they only gonna make a certain amount to an order.
That's right. If you won't believe him, ask one person. Hey Ken.
Hey.
Question.
Yeah.
Why is it important to pre-order?
You don't pre-order, and then once they come in, they're gone. They're gone.
Hey Jack. Quick question. Why is it important to pre-order?
Huh?
Why is it important to pre-order?
What?
Why is it important to pre-order?
So you get it.
And you get it. Three people told you that you can get it. Going is going. So always gotta pre-order your stuff. You want to get it. So word of advice. Also, check out your boy new shirt, Engineer Hall. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel.
What? Supposed to say Canadian National or Canadian Pacific.
That's what you like.
Yep.
We get the shirt made.
Yep.
All right.
Need one made.